want to radiate dark feminine energy, but you react to everything. You want to take apologies, not patterns. Like, तुम apologies को मान लेते हो लेकिन तुम patterns को नहीं देखते. Like, when someone is angry on you, you cry और तुम shout back करते हो उनके ऊपर. या फिर when someone is happy from you, you show your vulnerability to them. तुम अपने emotions show करते हो. Like, या तो तुम उनकी energy उनसे लेते हो, sad energy, या फिर तुम अपनी energy उनको देते हो, happy energy, by reacting. Obviously, when you react to something, तुम उन्हें बता रहे हो कि like what are your emotions to this particular statement, what are your emotions to this particular action, and that is when you show your emotions to them, you show your vulnerability to them. I'm not able to pronounce this word properly, but you know what I mean. So you're just showing them that yes, you can come and cross my boundaries because I react to everything and I'm a very, very sensitive person. Like, the simple thing which I want to say is stop reacting to everything if you want to radiate dark feminine energy. Because dark feminines or feminine energy don't react easily. They pause and then react, right? In this video, we're going to talk about three things which will help you not react and which will tell you to not react. Basically, the mindset and the takeaway. So let's get started. So shift number one is you don't need to react, you need to respond. What is the difference between reacting and responding? Difference सिर्फ इतना सा है कि reacting में तुम बिना सोचे समझे कुछ भी कर देते हो and you show your emotions to them and एक image बन जाती है अगले person के mind में that you wear your heart on sleeves so that they can like control you, they can manipulate you, and now they can like do whatever they want to do because they know that you wear your heart on sleeves and you are affected by each and everything by other person's actions or other person's word, right? जो कि एक बैड साइन है, जो कि एक डार्क फेमिनिन का साइन तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. लाइक यू कैन नॉट रेडिएट योर डार्क फेमिनिन और फेमिनिन एनर्जी बाय रिएक्टिंग. You can only radiate it by responding. Or when someone is angry at you, someone is sad from you, someone is feeling guilty for you, or someone is feeling pity for you, just don't react. The ideal response which you can give to radiate your feminine or dark feminine energy is not react. This is a mindset shift. If you are not like, if you cannot resonate with this, just skip it. It's okay. It's not for you. Dark feminine energy, then it's not meant for you. Okay? I just want to say this thing that don't react. If someone is angry at you, stay silent. Just stay silent. तुम्हें अपने अंदर से ये like पता होना चाहिए that you don't care. Dark feminines or feminines don't care. They just go with their own life, with their own flow. They don't let another person's flow corrupt them, right? किसी और की लाइफ का फ्लो है, किसी और पर्सन्स के इमोशंस या वर्ड्स उनको अफेक्ट नहीं कर सकते. सो अगर कोई तुम पे गुस्सा है या फिर कोई भी लाइक इफ समवन इज एंग्री ऑन यू और समवन इज फीलिंग लाइक हैप्पी फॉर यू, यू डोंट लेट इट रिएक्ट, यू डोंट लेट इट कम इनटू योर लाइफ एंड क्रॉस द बाउंड्रीज एंड जस्ट make you feel happy or make you feel sad. No one can make you feel sad and no one can make you feel happy. It's you who can make you feel happy and you're like sad, whatever. The ideal response will be not reacting, not responding. The takeaway from shift number one is just don't react, just respond, and the ideal response is staying silent. And वो staying silent ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि तुम अंदर ही अंदर like you are just stacking up the burdens and at the one point of life वो burdens सारे crash कर जाते हैं and then you feel miserable about yourself. I'm trying to say is that don't stack burdens, just don't let the burdens get inside your heart. If you're staying silent, it doesn't mean that you are weak. It doesn't mean that you're stacking up the burdens or stacking up the emotions. It just means that you don't care. Shift number two is don't speak where you are already characterized. What I mean to say is वहाँ पर नहीं बोलना चाहिए जहाँ पर the other person is already having an image of you. Like if the other person's mind में already ये image है कि you are this type of person and they are not trying to like change that image of yours, just don't speak. चाहे वो इमेज अच्छी हो चाहे वो इमेज बुरी हो, डोंट स्पीक इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम. ओके, you can only speak where you are with open-minded people. Okay, for example, if two stereotype peoples are talking to each other and they're talking about that girls should not go out and you go there, you get angry because they are saying something like this and तुम वहाँ जाते हो, तुम उनसे लड़ने लग जाते हो कि no, girls can go everywhere they want to go, this is an open minded society, whatever. You start fighting with them, they are never ever in their life going to understand this thing जो तुम समझाना चाह रहे हो उनको. apologize कर लो उस इंसान को, चाहे तुम कुछ कर लो उस इंसान के लिए, that person is not going to understand. If a person thinks that you are characterless, entire throughout their life they are going to think about that only. मतलब उनके माइंड में सिर्फ वही चीज़ रहने वाली है, वो चेंज नहीं करेंगे उस चीज़ को, एंड यू डोंट हैव टू प्रूव योर सेल्फ टू देम, बिकॉज चाहे तुम प्रूव करो चाहे तुम ना करो, इमेज वही रहने वाली है. सो लेट्स गो टू शिफ्ट नंबर 3. Shift number 3 is unbothered energy. I'll make a separate video on this also, but what is unbothered energy is not caring about anything. And when you don't care about anything, you don't react. Simple as that. इसको मुझको ज़्यादा एक्सप्लेन करने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं है, मैं यहाँ पे सिर्फ टेक अवे दे देती हूँ. टेक अवे इज दैट just don't care. And how to not care is, I'll make a separate video on this. That was all for the video. If you enjoyed, you can stick around and meet you in the next one. Till then, bye bye, peace out.